College boni fibro section part te kumba la pante ba ta por ba ong ba manta kasi absentrik kinyo eka admit card manta ka clear please te manta pada kila pensange shwa te bia bane app shwa por te wat ya ka tarik exam ru ki ong man pensange shwa nomor ba ki don ki hall ki bom laj tre ban tho exam mar ki don ka jing khu akar kum tho exam te kat kum kane ka notice ko pen mi manta kasi ki ong ba this to inform all consent that the tentative date for the written examination kamut ba katari examination empat confirm re kin haban penkala is yet to confirm some dates coincide with other examination ki tengku pat ki exam conducted by different agency which resulted in clash of examination halls rooms in some district of the state. Hence, the issuance of admit cards will be intimated later. Kin sapentip yang hadin nagam taban ay yaki admit card. And when the dates of examination and availability of examination hall room is resolved, andala resolve lot ikine gibaro te kin sapentip yang pada. In this connection, CRB is tirelessly working to resolve the issue written examination for convenient. Okay. Then ada baru kini denda kila pentip yang saya sen tekin sa pentip lang ba ka official website je kin sa pentip tek ong ba hap check na po official website na ka por sya ka por te menta kasi ki don bun ba bakali nam ta admit card te empat yo admit card menta kasi hap ni app yang so kumba ka tu kan singi te kin sa pentip yang kita kan ni pleasure